Today, we're going to explore the exciting world of generative AI and how it's a little different from other forms of AI. Most of what you've seen today and what you think of as AI today is generative AI. The language models like ChatGPT and image creation tools like Midjourney and Stable Diffusion all work off the same basic principles. Let's dive in and uncover how generative AI transforms raw data into captivating articles, stunning visuals, and mesmerizing videos. So, first off, what is generative AI? Imagine planting a seed in your digital garden. This seed is generative AI. And with the right care, it grows, branching out into various forms of content. These are fruits of innovation created not just from thin air, but from understanding and learning from vast amounts of information. So, how does this work? Well, think of this funnel as it represents the journey from how it takes raw data to create innovative new content. At the top, we start with a wide range of inputs, such as web content, books, audio, images, video, all categorized, all labeled meticulously by humans to ensure that it has a diverse and rich set of data. The more diverse and rich the data set, the more nuanced and sophisticated the AI's content generation capabilities are going to be. Then that data is used to train a model. Think of this stage as an intensive apprenticeship where AI learns from the collected data, grasping different language patterns, visual aesthetics, storytelling techniques, and even more. Fine tuning tailors the AI to specific content genres or styles, much like honing a writer's voice or a director's vision. And then prompting. This is where you come in, and this is your way of communicating with the AI. This is going to set it on a creative quest. It's like pitching a story idea to a team of writers and seeing the different interpretations that come to life. Crafting effective prompts is an art. The right prompt can inspire an AI to generate content that's insightful, engaging, and aligned with your audience's interests. And the output, at the end, what emerges from our funnel is a spectrum of content, from articles that captivate readers to stunning visuals, mesmerizing audio, and videos that are getting better every single day. Each piece of content within this funnel is customizable. This means there are endless possibilities for creativity, whether it's writing an in depth article, creating unique visuals, or producing that captivating video that's going to drive your next marketing campaign. And while generative AI can produce a wide range of content, it's important to remember that it operates within the scope of its training library, the data in which it was trained on. This means there are a few things to watch out for. First, AI models are trained on data sets that, while extensive, are not always up to date with the very latest events or information. For instance, the latest ChatGPT is current up until December of 2023. And since these models may not include data from the most recent news or developments, their generated content may lack the latest insights, cultural references, and this just emphasizes the importance of human oversight within this process. And while most of the world's information is not public, and AI models don't have access to private, confidential, or proprietary information unless it's been included in their training data set. And this means they cannot leverage the insights from some of the most crucial pieces of context, especially in a work settings. Businesses are just now starting to adopt platforms that will help them train models on their own data, and this will only get easier over time. And while AI models are trained on broad data sets to understand a wide range of topics, they might struggle with highly specialized or niche subjects that require deep industry specific knowledge. This is, again, a limitation where you need to fill in the gaps, ensuring that the content created with AI assistance is accurate and resonates with your target audience. And finally, AI does not inherently understand you, your individual preferences, styles, and how it should respond to you. It also does not understand the subtleties of personal brand voice without specific instructions or examples. This means it requires guidance to generate content that aligns with you and your organization's brand standards. And in future videos, we'll teach you how to create clear and concise prompts, which can help tailor the AI generated content to align more closely with your tone, your style, and your objectives. All right, let's shift gears a bit. Enough of the schoolwork. Now let's dive into the exciting part, what you can actually create with this AI. First off, we have their foundational models like ChatGPT, Anthropic, Llama, and Mistral. They enable you to analyze data, summarize extensive reports, and create captivating content. And there are platforms like Jasper AI, Copy AI, and Writer, which are designed with writers in mind, simplifying everything from drafting to polishing your copy and getting it to publish quicker than ever. Next, let's talk visuals. AI tools like DALL-E, Leonardo AI, Midjourney, and Stable Diffusion, and yes, even Photoshop. These tools are your co-creators, enable you to rapidly prototype concepts with your design team so that your vision for that campaign is clearly communicated. This collaboration with AI and your designer isn't just faster, it's more creative. And with audio, you can generate background tunes and even sound effects,
to choosing the perfect voiceover.
or even cloning your own voice for that personal touch. Platforms like Udio, Loudly, Descript, and even 11 Labs are revolutionizing how we think about audio and sound in our storytelling. And yes, even videos with tools like Pika Labs, Leonardo AI, Runway ML, and yes, the stunningly anticipated Sora by OpenAI, storyboarding your campaigns and adding that perfect B-roll just got a whole lot easier. Imagine the possibilities for your next project. In this video, we've explored the fascinating world of generative AI and how it can transform raw data into innovative, new, original content across various mediums. From understanding the journey of data, crafting effective prompts, we've seen the immense potential of generative AI in content creation. And join me in our next videos where we'll dive deep into the best practices for working with AI, ensuring you get the most out of these powerful tools.